I took Highway 16 out of Sacramento to Plymouth, California. I got on Olmo Ranch Road from there to get to Highway 88. A beautiful spring morning and I headed east on Highway 88 into the Sierra Mountains. The clouds in the blue sky were almost perfect. My plan was to find some scenic locations to do time lapses. Because of the pandemic, the road was almost empty. Twisting and turning through the forest, feeling totally alone was great. There were plenty of turnouts to view the fantastic vistas. Highway 88 is a two-lane highway through the mountains that stays open all winter. It is the third major route through the mountains. The highway begins just outside of Stockton, California, and runs east all the way to Nevada. Part of this route follows the Mormon Immigrant Trail. This road was built by the Mormon workers who built Sutter's Mill in Coloma. These workers formed a wagon train to return to Salt Lake Valley in 1848. They built this road to make the trip. Over the next 16 years, thousands of people followed this trail across the mountains and into California. Part of Highway 88 was originally the Amador, Nevada wagon route, a toll road that was completed in 1862. It was a main road through the mountains for sending timber, food, and gold east during the Civil War. It was used heavily until the Transcontinental Railroad was completed in 1869. The highway passes through El Dorado National Forest. It also crosses over Carson Pass with an elevation of about 8,600 feet. The road has a max elevation of around 9,600 feet. I wasn't really dressed for the temperatures at that elevation, so I turned around and headed back down the mountain. A great road and beautiful scenery, perfect for a springtime motorcycle ride.